Welcome back everyone. Today we are learning about loops. In programming, when you need to perform certain tasks repeatedly, loops help us make this process efficient. There are two main types of loops, while loops and for loops. In this session, we will explore how a while loop works. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine you have a jar of cookies and you decide to eat not more than 3 cookies. Every time you eat a cookie, you keep track of the count. This process repeats until you have eaten 3 cookies and then you stop. Now let's solve the scenario using a while loop. A while loop repeatedly executes a block of code as long as the condition is true. Here's the basic structure of a while loop in Java. First, we need a counter to track how many cookies we have eaten. Since we haven't started eating yet, the initial value of the counter is 0. Next, we set the condition for the loop. In this case, the condition is to continue eating as long as the counter is less than 3. Inside the loop, we increment the counter by 1 each time to keep track of the number of cookies eaten. We will also print the counter value to see how it changes during each iteration. When we run the code, the output will be 8 cookie number 1, 8 cookie number 2, 8 cookie number 3. Let's walk through the code step by step. First iteration, the counter starts at 0. The condition counter less than 3 is true because 0 less than 3. We enter the loop, increment the counter to 1 and print 8 cookie number 1. In second iteration, the counter is now 1. The condition counter less than 3 is still true because 1 less than 3. We enter the loop again, increment the counter to 2 and print 8 cookie number 2. For the third iteration, the counter is now 2. The condition counter less than 3 is true because 2 less than 3. We enter the loop, increment the counter to 3 and print 8 cookie number 3. For the fourth iteration, the counter is now 3. The condition counter less than 3 is false, so the loop ends and no more iterations are performed. So when writing a while loop, always remember these three key components: initialization, condition, and updation.